Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS. And today, I'm gonna show you how to properly anchor your ski with a little help from WavesRX. All right, so here we are, just off of Hutchinson Island, Florida. And I've got this new anchor from WavesRX. This is a stainless steel TriAnchor. Just unfold the anchor and then it's got this little tab here to lock it into place. WavesRX has sent me their bungee line to go with it. You can see it's got a float there, it's got this nice stainless steel clasp, and I'm just gonna hook this to the front of the ski. And really all we're gonna do next, it's as easy as that.
So the TriAnchor can hold one Kawasaki Ultra 310 jet ski, but can it hold two? We decided to put it to the test, tethering these two 1,000+ pound Kawasaki Ultra 310 jet skis together.
So far they're holding in place, right?
The TriAnchor had no issue at all holding these two full-size 310 horsepower runabouts in place. The AnchorMate bungee line stretches between 14 and 50 feet, helping to absorb wakes and waves. The TriAnchor's patent-pending design helps it grab quickly and hold stronger than competing anchors.
I'll give you a look at this again here. It's a real interesting design, right? I mean, it really does give you a good grab though.
Novice and veteran riders alike often make the mistake of beaching their personal watercraft. This can cause scratches or damage to the hull and allow debris to enter the pump. Always make sure to anchor your personal watercraft in at least a few feet of water. Be aware of local tides so that your ski doesn't become stranded.
All right, so I'm gonna pull in this anchor here. All right, here we go. And then to fold it up, you can see you've got this pin right here. Pull that pin up. Folds up like that and we're good to go. That was pretty easy. I like this anchor.
Over the years, I've tried many different PWC anchors, and out of all the ones on the market, the folding TriAnchor by WavesRX is definitely my favorite.